Okay.
You should wear that outfit forever.
I could. I'm probably. Okay, what the hell you want? I'm on the board.
You gotta stand still. I found the same problem.
I have attention deficit.
I know.
That's a nice shirt.
Hey.
Get off. You're still not on the board.
Hey, you're not even.
Step on the board, Timo.
And don't move.
You're not giving the attention.
Stand still.
Attention deficit person.
Okay, I can
Gonna go right away.
Okay. Left your arm. Wait. Didn't start yet. Sounds good. Okay, you're going. You're gonna go. Go.
There it is.
Oh, he's a good flyer. Oh, wrong way.
You can do it, buddy. Hey, he's sinking. How's he sinking? Oh, that sucks. Get up. Oh!
All right, you're still up there.
Go for it. You can do it. Down. Oh, no.